Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Cyril. Okay, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make daily profits with our crypto trading signals that we drop in our community every single day. Okay, so for most of you that are already in my community, do ask questions on how to manage risk and how to take trading signals. Okay, this is a fresh new video on how to do that. So if you are already in my trading community, make sure you watch this video to the very end, because it's going to guide you on how to take our trading signals the right way, and also how to manage your risk, and also the apps, the software you need to use while managing your risk. If you are there, so make sure you watch this video to the very end. It's very, very important, and start applying everything I have to show you in this video. And if you're not yet in our training community and you are watching this video right now, so what you need to do is to check the link in the description of this video. Okay, I'll be dropping my community link in the description of this video to actually join us. Okay, in my training community, this is what we do. We drop daily crypto features signals every day, and you can use it to make money even when you are learning how to trade the crypto market. You can use it as an additional side hustle to make money for yourself, right? So make sure you hit the link in the description of this video to join, and after joining, make sure you come back to this video to watch this video to the very, very end, because it's going to help you, guide you on everything you need to know on how to take our signals and make money for yourself every single day. So without further ado, let's just dive into it.
So this video is basically how to properly manage your risk by taking our trading signals in the community. Okay, so if you are just joining our trading community, or if you are just watching this video, make sure you follow everything I'm about to say in this video, because it's going to guide you on proper risk management and how to take our trading signals so that you can't lose more than you are willing to lose. Okay, because this video will cover everything on risk management, okay, while taking our trading signals. If you like, you can use 200x leverage, 100x leverage. That particular amount that you are willing to lose is what you are going to lose if the trade goes against us, right? So make sure you watch to the very end, and if you're not yet in our trading community, make sure you hit the link in the description of this video to join our trading community, where we do drop trading signals daily, right? So when I drop signals like this you are seeing on this screen right now, what you need to do is to first of all come to trading view. Okay, come to trading view. So when you come to trading view, you just need to tap on this long position 2 here, right? This long position 2, tap on it like this. And so when you tap on it, then it will appear like this, just like this one that you're seeing here right now. So double tap on this long position 2. This is a long position, while we have the short position, but this one is long position, right? So double tap on it. So once you double tap on it, right, so this input style and visibility is going to appear. So but I want you to focus on the input, because that's our major focus, input. So this input, you can see account size, default, like you can see account size, loss size, risk, and rest of those stuff right there. So the account size is basically the amount, total amount you have in your, maybe your Bybit account or your Bitgate, your any exchange you are using at all. So that is account size. Let's say you have $1,000 account size, right? You have $1,000. Let's say you have $1,000. You come here and put 1,000, right? This is $1,000. Okay. Now leave it on default. Okay. Leave it on default. Then the loss size, leave it on 1. Always leave it on 1. Then risk. This risk now is, you need to pay more attention to this risk, because if you're somebody that uses 1% of your total account, total portfolio account, then you need to come over to this USDT and click this percent. That means if you input 1, that means you are risking 1% of this $1,000 of your account size, right? So, but to me, I prefer using USDT to know the exact amount I'm risking, right? So let's say you, out of $1,000, you want to risk $10, which is 1%. Okay, you want to risk $10, or you want to risk 10% of $1,000, which is $100, right? So you put the amount you are willing to risk. You are willing to risk, and that amount you are willing to risk is the amount that if the trade goes against our analysis, our bias, that's the exact amount you are going to lose, no matter any leverage you use, right? So let's say you want to use like $10, right? You now put $10 right here. Okay, this is $10. This is applicable to any amount you want to use, provided the fact that is the amount you are willing to use. So, and you don't want to use all of your account size. This $1,000, you're not going to use 50% of it. No, use at least 1, 5, or 10% of your account total account size. Okay, now This place you see entry price, which is 80,000. Of course, what we are trading here is BTC, right? This is BTC USDT. So this place you see entry price is the entry price of analysis, okay, of BTC based on our analysis. This is our entry price. So as you can see it here, now you put that particular entry, if it is a limit order, right? If our analysis is a limit order, put that particular limit price here, okay, that entry price, put that particular limit price there, okay. Now after putting it, now you go to stop level. Stop level is stop loss, right? And profit level is take profit. Now the first one, which is after the first one after the entry price, is profit level. Now that price you see 93,761.2 is the what? Is the take profit level. So what's the take profit level? 93,761.2, right? So you input that there, right? So and the stop loss, which is 96,565.2, you put it there, right? So after putting all those stuffs there, remember this take profit, stop loss, and entry price is based on the signal that we draw, right? So you input it right there, right? So after you input it, you click OK. So it's going to show you this exactly like this. You can see the price parameters. Now I want you to pay attention. Now when you tap on this long position tool, I want you to pay attention to this quantity. The quantity you are seeing, the middle, okay, the middle here, this entry price, the middle. I want you to pay attention to that place. They say QTY, okay. Pay attention to that particular place. You can see quantity 0.029 is the quantity of BTC we want to buy, okay. That's 0.029 quantity of BTC we want to buy, because we want to use what? $10 to buy 0.029 of BTC, okay. We want to use $10 to buy 0.029 of BTC, not $10. This is $100. This is $100. You can see it. This is $100. So you want to use $100 to buy 0.029 of what? BTC. So what next? We now go to Bybit. Okay, this is Bybit right here, right? So now this is limit order, and our entry price is 80,000, which is the limit entry price. Okay. Now this place, you see this USDT after this first USDT. This USDT you are seeing there, okay, beside order value. Tap on it, change it to order by quantity, which is BTC, and confirm. It will no longer be USDT, it will now be BTC. Now input that quantity, this quantity 0.029, input it there, 0.029, okay. So now you now input stop loss. Remember, you can use any leverage. You can use 100x leverage, you can use 200x leverage, depending on exchange you are using. But the exchange I'm using for this is Bybit, which means Bybit only has 100x leverage for BTC features, right? So if you don't have Bybit account, do well to check the link in the description of this video to create your Bybit account. All right. So, and also I made a video on how you can go about creating your Bybit account. Okay, you can just check the video up there, right? It will guide you on everything on how to create your Bybit account. So the next step here is to click TP or XL. TP or XL. Tap on TP or XL. Now input the take profit. The take profit here is take profit price here is 93,761.2. 93,761.2, right? That's the take profit. The stop loss is what? 76,567.2. 565.2. Okay. Do you see? Pay attention to the below right up. They say market stop loss order will be triggered when market price reaches 76,567.2 USDT. Expected loss is 99.6 USDT, which means if the trade goes against us, you're not going to lose more than $100, no matter leverage you use, no matter how many leverage you use, right? But if the trade goes full take profit, we are making close to $400, which is 399.06, okay, which is roughly $400, which is 4:1, as you can see here. This is 4:1, okay. We are risking $100 to make $400. So you click confirm. So you click long. So when you click long, you can see that even the liquidation price is far away from our stop loss. Estimated liquidation price is 75,085.90, which is very far away from our stop loss, okay, which is down here, okay, 75, which is here, okay, which means we are safe, okay, no matter the leverage, you are safe, okay, here. So you click confirm. So when you click confirm, the trade has been placed. This is USDT, right? So this is USDT here. You can still click modify to modify stop loss, okay, take profit. You can still click here to modify it. Modify it, change it if you wish. But then, why do you want to change it when instruction are not given, unless you are doing it on your own? Okay, so this is exactly how to properly manage your risk while taking our trading signal. So with this, you are always safe, no matter the leverage you use. Okay, so I'm going to catch you up in the next video. Remember to click the link in the description of this video to join our trading community. And if you find this video helpful, do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto, forex, DeFi content. All right, so have it. See you next time.